This video will help you in refunding your Steam games. Please note that there are two requirements to refund a game. 1. You cannot refund a game that is older than 14 days of purchase. 2. You must have less than 2 hours played for that game.
The reason for your refund doesn't matter. It will get approved as long as it follows the refund requirements previously mentioned.
Comment any problems or questions that you have encountered and need assistance with. More Steam guides coming soon. Stay tuned.